Students, good morning. I'm your English teacher Ragini Tiwari. Student, as we have already started the poem of class 12th and elementary school Classroom in a Slum written by Stephen Spender, and we have already covered the first stanza of this poem. So now let us begin with the second stanza. I'm reading for you. Please take care of word meaning, poetic devices, and explanation, which I'll tell you here. So let us start. On sour cream walls, donations, Shakespeare's head, cloud at dawn, civilized dome riding all cities, belled flowery, tireless valley, open-handed map, awarding the world its world. And yet, for these children, these windows, not this map, their world, where all their futures painted with a fog. So this stanza which I just read for you, let us discuss the first hard word meaning here. What it here refers sour. Sour. What sour refers here? Sour refers here that very unpleasant. It refers unpleasant or to the color of sour cream of sour cream is like of white color or creamish color. Okay, creamish color or of white color. And next, donations. What donations refers here? Donations means the things which is given by or received in charity. Okay, the things which has been received in charity or given by someone. Okay, dawn. Dawn means early morning. Dawn means early morning or sunrise. Civilized dome. Civilized dome means it means that rising sun at the horizon, which is in the shape of a dome, like semicircle. Dome like a semicircle. Tyrolese Valley. Tyrolese Valley, a beautiful ice-free valley in Austria. Tyrolese Valley, which is situated in Austria. It is a very beautiful valley. Okay. Now, sealed. Sealed. Where it is? Open-handed, my awarding with the seal. Okay, it hasn't given, perhaps here. Okay. So, these are the hard words which just I told you. Now, let us come to know the explanation of this poem. So, student, in this stanza, the poet describes the walls of the school here or on sour cream walls. The poet describes here the walls of the school. They are cream in color, like the color of a sour cream. Okay, very unpleasant color. And this means that the walls are not clean. They have not been painted recently. Okay, so the walls are covered with different charts and images that must have been donated by different people. Donations here refers that the walls of classroom were covered by different charts and images that have been donated by different people. There is a picture of Shakespeare, a very renowned dramatist. Okay, Shakespeare, there is a picture of Shakespeare on the wall. His head, which is bald, look like rising sun. Look like rising sun. Dawn here means sunrise. Okay, the bald head of Shakespeare look like rising sun at the horizon. At the horizon. At the time of daybreak, the sun is rising at the horizon and is semicircle like a dome shape. Okay, here this all had described the head of Shakespeare. Okay, head of the Shakespeare. It seems to be behind all the cities. Behind all the cities. Okay, there is a picture of a famous Tyrolese Valley, which is situated in Austria. On the wall, there is one more image was there, a picture of Tyrolese Valley, which has a beautiful flowers. There is the image of a map, image of a map, which helps all in its own way, all in its own way. But for these children who were studying in a slum, in that classroom, the map of the world is irrelevant, because the slum where they live is different from what is shown in the map. Okay, the map shows where the place where these children were living, that place was absolutely different from that. So their world is only what they see out of the window of the classroom. Is that what? That is slum only. Their world is slum only. Their future is full of darkness. These children future is full of darkness, and their future is compared to a narrow street, which means that there is no wide scope. Okay, their future here compares to a narrow street. What it means? Which means no bright future they all are having. And the growth of their future will be restricted there. There is no availability of their growth of their future. So these children are far away from the radiant light of knowledge and education. Where it has referred here that where all their futures painted with a fog. They all are in darkness. Absolutely in a fog means darkness. It means their future, their life is far away from the radiant light. If they are in the fog, radiant light of knowledge. And what kind of light here refers to? Not the light of knowledge and education. Knowledge and education. Okay, student, now let us discuss the poetic device which has been used here in this stanza. See the sour cream wall. Sour cream wall. Here in this line, walls are described to be dull as a sour cream. It means poetic device metaphor has been used here, because walls are compared to be dull as a sour cream, right? So metaphor poetic devices has been used here. Another metaphor poetic device is also here, like a narrow street. That line hasn't been given in this stanza. Okay, nevertheless, assonance also has been used here. How assonance? Now see, repetition of vowel sound. Repetition of vowel sound, where it is, like belled, flowery, tireless, valley. The repetition of E vowel, E, belled, E, flowery, E, tireless, E, and valley, E. So repetition of E is here. It means the poetic device assonance has been used in these words. Assonance. Okay. Allusion poetic device also has been used. How? Allusion is what? Which reference to a well-known person or place. So what? Where is a well-known person or that place? Shakespeare was a very well-known personality, and a place, well-known place, is Tireless Valley. Tireless Valley. Whenever we are describing in poetry or prose about a very renowned person or known places, then the poetic device allusion is there. So here Shakespeare said, and Tireless Valley, it represents that the poetic device allusion is also here. So these are the poetic devices, student. We have discussed already the hard word meaning and explanation of this stanza and poetic device also. I hope these all things are clear to you. Listen this video twice so that it will be more clear to you. Okay, we will discuss the other stanzas in our next video. Till then, take care, student. Have a nice day.